Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin with the essentials. Confirm you have a compatible iPhone and iOS version, because the system UI must support the island. Once done, enable assistive touch and screen recording so you can trigger controls without hiding UI. Next, install a dynamic island simulator app or import a transparent PNG overlay into the Photos app. This provides the visual element you'll merge into the screenshot. Now position the UI you want to capture and make sure notifications or media states are ready to display. You now create the composite image by layering the island over your screenshot. First, open the simulator app or overlay in Photos and set the island to the exact animation or static state you want. Then, bring your target app to the foreground, use assistive touch or a timed screenshot to capture the screen without hiding the island overlay. Once captured, import both images into an editor. Align edges, match scale, and set the overlay opacity to blend seams so the island appears native and sharp within the screenshot. You finish by exporting the final composite at full resolution so the island remains crisp. After aligning, check color temperature and shadow consistency. Adjust brightness or add a subtle shadow to match the device display. If the island looks misaligned or clipped, make sure grid guides are on and nudge the overlay by single pixel increments. If timing causes the island to disappear, use a short screen recording and trim the exact frame. Then export that frame as a PNG. One tip: if the simulator app hides itself, re-enable assistive touch and retake the capture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.